Hey folks, I don't talk about this album very often. In fact, half the time it doesn't even make it onto the merch table anymore. I think we've got about 100 left and we'll probably never reorder them again. But and the reason is because I came out about 10 years ago and my voice wasn't very good then. It was kind of the first batch of songs that I ever wrote. And I don't know, you get self-conscious about those things. You know, you always think that you're doing better things more recently. But anyway, so we don't ever play those songs out. We don't promote them, but they're just kind of there. However, there's one song on there called Midwest Winter Wind. For those of you who have that CD, a lot of you have responded to this song, because there are people out there that like the album. But anyways, one of the songs is called Midwest Winter Wind, and I thought if there's ever a time to feature a song or sing a song on that album, it's here. It's now, being the last couple days here in the Midwest, it's been damn cold. But anyways, I think this song is appropriate for this week, so I figured what the hell, and I will sing it for you. It's called Midwest Winter Wind. It is one of the literally first 3 or 4 songs I ever wrote in my life. Wake up at 5 in the morning. It's a far cry from high school glory. That's the price you pay for kids and a family. 'Cause them bills don't pay themselves. And Santa and his elves don't actually put them Christmas presents under that tree. So I'm out the door and going about 5:30. Meeting that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. Part one of my daily journey, it's an hour to the factory. I'll have worked half an hour before the sun comes up. Headlights cut through the dark. Pray to God will do his part to bring me through the day and back home to my babies. But the sun is down before my job will let me out of that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. That wind blows hard all day long, reaches deep into my bones, tells me that I can't go on, and my faith ain't that strong. Keep bringing that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. Dreams from graduation, wouldn't recognize this living, but I met my wife and changed priorities. Though I never made it pro, the domestic life I chose after football dreams gave way to busted knees. So I bought a trailer for the price of humility. I felt that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. That wind blows hard all day long, reaches deep into my bones, tells me that I can't go on, that my faith ain't that strong. Keep facing that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. It's been 2 years since my wife left. Cancer left me bereft. She fought hard and long, but I finally had to let her go. But I got 3 girls back at home, and in them I see their mom, and that's how my baby still keeps the home fires burning. Not enough that I can keep on churning. It's that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. That wind blows hard all day long, reaches deep into my bones, tells me that I can't go wrong, that my faith ain't that strong. Keep facing that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. Keep facing that cold, hard Midwest winter wind. There you have it. Off of my 5 Feet Down album from, let's see, we released this, I think, in 2008. I think I wrote that song in 2006. It is as old as they come when it comes to my songs. That is called Midwest Winter Wind. I hope y'all are surviving this ridiculous weather. And at least up here in Illinois, we're going to have some, I think, some 40s and 50s coming up this weekend. So, and eventually, spring is, of course, down the road. My name is Joe Stamm. Thanks for tuning in today. I don't do these very often, but I had some time to kill and thought, what the hell? Have a good day, everybody.